Coming up in this video, we'll give you an idea on how to maintain your motorcycle and keep it in great working condition. Stay tuned. If you ride your motorcycle every day, ideally you want to do a safety check once a week. If you ride it once in a blue moon, do it every time you go for a ride. This makes sure your bike is in good, safe working order. To learn how to do a safety check, follow the link in the description and watch our safety check video. You want to keep up with the correct service intervals for your motorcycle. Keep it well serviced and it'll keep performing well and stay reliable. Keep your brakes well maintained. Clean around the pistons and make sure the pads and seals are okay. I'd recommend doing this once every 3 months. That should be sufficient enough. Ensure all your bearings are in good working condition. You want to check they're not rusty, worn or dry. We recommend cleaning and lubricating your swing arm, linkage and headstock bearings every 3 or 4 years. Now this can differ depending on mileage, but as a rule of thumb, you want to replace your clutch and brake fluid every 2 years. As for other fluids, you want to refer to your bike's workshop manual. Keep it clean. Don't power wash it close up. Make sure you use a salt-free cleaner. We like to use Pro Green Bike Wash or Pro Green Snowfall. Once it's clean, you want to give it a good protective coating. ACF 50 is good on metal parts, just keep it away from your brakes. Polish is good for protecting your paintwork, and other treatments are good for things like fuel lines and coolant hoses. Now tyre pressures are obviously important. Keep your tyres at the recommended pressure and check them as often as possible. Use spray grease on pivot points. This actually makes a huge difference. Get yourself a can of spray grease and spray it on all the pivot points on your bike. So the pivot points on your rear brake pedal, your front brake lever, your clutch lever, your side stand, your gear linkage and things like that. Obviously just keep the grease away from parts that you operate. Get yourself a torque wrench and a workshop manual and go over all the nuts and bolts on your bike and make sure everything's properly torqued up. People tend to overshadow electrics, but it's actually one of the main reasons why you come to your bike in the morning and it doesn't start. So it makes sense to keep all the electrical components clean. Get yourself a can of contact cleaner and spray all the electrical connectors and components and then coat them with some ACF 50 or electrical grease. Ensure cables such as throttle cables, speedo cables and clutch cables are well routed, not worn and well oiled. We like to get some thin oil in a syringe and lubricate all the cables with it. Whether you've got a shaft, chain or belt drive, keep it maintained. Keep a chain aligned, tensioned and lubricated, a belt aligned and tensioned, and the shaft should be greased every 3 or 4 years. If you follow these guidelines, your bike should stay in great working condition. I know it sounds like quite a lot to do, but you're doing it all over different periods of time. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.